Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a Christmas tree monster.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is what our drawing looks like at the very end.
Yeah, this one was really fun.
Yeah, super fun. And when you open it up, it's super scary on the inside. Okay, but don't show them too much.
Okay.
They gotta wait till the very end.
But you can use whatever you have.
You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first fold our paper. We're gonna take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and then fold it down when you get the corners lined up on both sides. I like to crease it down the middle and then out to the sides. Yes. Then we're gonna take that top flap, line it up with the top edge, and then fold that down. Next, we can flip our paper over and we're gonna repeat that same fold. Take the top flap and line it up and then fold it. Oops, I didn't line it up. There we go. Fold it down. No, it's not lined up. I messed up again. That's okay. You can line it up and then fold it again. Okay, this is just a guide fold. We're gonna unfold this one, flatten it out so it's easy to draw on, and then flip our paper back over. And when we're done with the folding part, it should open up like this. We'll also use some scratch paper underneath our drawing paper because we're using markers to draw with, but you don't have to use the scratch paper if you don't want to. Now we're ready to draw and we're gonna use our markers. So let's first draw our Christmas tree, half of it above the fold and half below. Let's start up here and we can draw a little star. So I'm gonna start at the very top and we're just gonna draw an upside down letter V, right in the middle. Then we can draw a sideways letter V on both sides. And then we can draw W for the bottom of the star. Yes. Okay, now we're ready to draw the tree. And we're gonna draw the top part first. So we're gonna draw two sides coming out, curving. And then we can draw them coming back in for a little zigzag. And then we're gonna draw it coming down really close to the fold, but still above it. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. And then we're gonna draw a little zigzag, and then this zigzag will touch the fold. And then we can do the same thing on this side. Okay, now let's draw it coming out further on each side. And then we're gonna come back in for another little zigzag. And then we'll come down a little further, not too far because we still need to draw the trunk. Okay, now we're gonna draw the very bottom of our Christmas tree. This part's really fun. We're gonna just draw zigzags, but you can mix them up. It doesn't have to look perfect or like, I was gonna say like mine, but mine's not perfect. We can make them messy like this. And then we're gonna draw the trunk. And I like to think sometimes I draw perfectly, but nah, I never do. There we go. That's awesome. There's our little tree. And it looks crazy because it's a monster too. So now let's add some details to our Christmas tree. Let's draw the eyes first. And I'm gonna draw two crazy eyes. So I'm gonna draw big circles right here. And then we can draw little dots right here. And then let's also draw a little funny mouth. Okay, then let's add more details. We're gonna draw right here, let's draw a zigzag that kind of matches the bottom down here. So, but we're gonna connect there. Then we're also gonna draw right here, we're gonna add that same kind of zigzag for this layer. Crazier the better. And then same thing here. Crazy zigzag line over to the other side. Okay, now what is our Christmas tree missing?
The decorations.
Yes, let's draw some Christmas ornaments. We can draw circles on the outside of the Christmas tree, like this. And we could also draw them on the inside of the Christmas tree. And we can mix up where they go. You don't have to match the same place where I'm adding Christmas ornaments. I'm gonna mix them up all over. Then let's also add, I'm gonna add, what is this thing called again?
Candy cane.
Yes, candy cane. I was just trying to test you to see if you knew.
Yeah, right.
And then I'm gonna draw one sticking out over here too. Kind of looks like ears. I'm gonna draw them down here also, sticking out of the tree. I'm not sure this is how Christmas or candy canes hang on a tree, but we could also draw them inside too. So it's kind of like the ornaments. And I'm gonna draw one down here. Now you could pause the video and take extra time to add even more decorations, maybe Christmas lights or...
You could draw a little elf hiding in your tree.
Yeah, you could. Now let's open up our tree. We're gonna leave it just like that. And now we're ready to draw the really scary part. Okay, so down here it's kind of skinny, but we're gonna get it really big so that we can have this big massive mouth. So let's start up here and we're gonna extend the tree down and on both sides, we'll extend it. We wanna make sure that we don't draw anything above this top fold or below the bottom fold because we want it to be hidden when it's folded up. Yeah. Okay, now up here, we're gonna draw the scary mouth. So I'm gonna draw that same little zigzag that we've been adding. This is for the top of the mouth. And then down here, let's draw a little zigzag, but then a big zigzag that comes out. So little zigzag and then big zigzag. Yes. Okay, and then this same line, except we're gonna draw it going the other way. So, well, it kind of looks the same because it's a zigzag. This is the bottom of the mouth. Okay, now for the fun part, we're gonna draw the big teeth. And let's start up here, and we can start in the middle. So we're gonna draw two really sharp teeth. It looks like a big, tall W. And then on this side, we're gonna draw more teeth, but I'm curving them going this way. And we're gonna go all the way out to the side. And then on this side, I'm gonna curve them going the other way, all the way out to this side. Okay, let's repeat that same step, except down here, going the other way. So we're gonna draw a big, tall M. Well, this one I'm drawing a little smaller because I realize I'm taking a lot of space and we wanna draw the tongue too. So now let's draw the rest of the teeth going out to the left, curving one way, and then the other side curving the other way. Oh, it's looking scary. It's gonna give me nightmares.
My tree needs braces.
Yeah, it needs braces. Okay, next let's draw the creepy tongue. And we're gonna draw it curving. So let's curve coming up this way. And then we'll curve coming down this way. And then up. You could also change it. It doesn't have to do the same thing as mine. Yes. Okay, and then on this side, let's do the same thing, but we'll curve it coming. We're gonna do it kind of like our cupcake monster. Do you remember that one?
Yes.
Yeah, it's really cute, but then when you open it, it's like this one with the tongues going both directions. Okay, now let's start at the very tip of the tongue. We're gonna draw it pointed, but then we're gonna come, I'm getting close or further away, but then I'm gonna stop kind of in the middle. Right in the middle between, yes. And then we're gonna do the same, repeat that same step. We're gonna get wider or further away and then connect into the middle. Oh, that's gross. Okay, now let's draw the sides of the mouth coming down. So we're gonna come down like this and we're gonna connect to the top of the tongue and then we'll do the same thing on this side. Then we're going to imagine this line going behind the tongue and coming down and connecting to the bottom of the mouth. And the same over here. Imagine it going behind the tongue and then connect down. Yeah, just like that. I like how you came inside the teeth on this side. That looks really cool. Okay, but we're going to draw the outside of the tree now, and this can get really crazy. So we're going to draw kind of that same zigzag. You can draw some of the zigzags big and some small. We'll go to the top of the tongue, and then we can repeat that same thing over here. Then we'll imagine it going behind the tongue again. Then we're going to draw the zigzags coming down and connecting to that part of the mouth. And repeat the same thing over here. This is one crazy Christmas tree monster. Okay, we need ornaments now on the scary part. So I'm going to draw little circles on the inside of the tree, but then also on the outside of the tree. We added more candy canes and also these creepy arms down here, but we still need to do one more thing.
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and color your drawings too. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished coloring our Christmas tree monsters, and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, we got to show our friends the inside.
Okay, on count of three. One, two, three.
Merry Christmas!
I thought we were gonna growl. The inside looks really cool, all colored in. We added a lot of texture to the gross tongue. We first colored it with our solid light pink, and then we used darker pink to add shading and also the little bumps to make it really gross. Then we also added shadows underneath the teeth to make it look 3D. We colored the back of the mouth super dark, and I even added this little extra black to make it look like the throat, and also that little punching bag in the back.
You could also add more things to your drawing, like tinsel.
Oh yeah, or presents down here at the bottom. Except if there were presents underneath this tree, I would leave them there. I wouldn't open them.
I wouldn't either. We hope you had fun drawing your Christmas tree monster.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.